Every day someone of my team is here and you can come here and we will make for you photo and print newspaper for you.
She did this
memories.
for me?
You can put it on fridge, on
Yeah,
wall,
yeah.
like memories.
Yeah,
Street press, you can follow on Instagram.
Okay, that is
Oh,
nice.
you have an Instagram page?
Yes.
Oh, you
Here,
want to record it or I
Yeah,
should-
no,
Here,
yeah, she's
street
already.
press.
Yeah. I'll make sure they see the Instagram. So if you're coming to Lublin, please check her out here in Old Town. Yeah.
Hello guys, this is Maurice once again, and we are here today with
Maria,
Maria, and you're Polish, right?
from Ukraine.
Oh, from Ukraine. So Maria, what are you doing here?
I make photos and I print newspapers with people photos like memories.
Oh yeah.
It costs donation and you can come and make like for free or for thousands. Your decision.
So most of the days when it's not New Year, where can people find you?
Yes, we are every day here,
Oh, you are always here?
always here.
Ah, that's nice. So what about Instagram? When can we get you?
You can get Instagram street press and you can follow and tag. You can get newspapers like this.
Okay, so something.
Here it is limited edition from New Year, New Year limited edition 2025. But in another days you can also have a newspaper, but similar, but only about Lublin.
Ah, that's wonderful.
Not limited, but also good.
Ah, that's wonderful. It was nice talking to you, man.
Thank you.
Man. This is a restricted area. Should have just come. And I wonder. I wasn't expecting everything to be close.
Oh, here. And I wonder. Okay, Daddy Joe is fine, closed. Everything closed. Okay,
This thing is so small.
I don't. Okay, can you eat here?
Leon. Buddy. Oh, I want to render something. Nie zvakadza kana kusikutoenda cloud nhasi kumusvira chakanana kana istori cloud.
Your friend?
Yeah, he's from Warsaw, so his girlfriend is from Lublin. He wanted help with coming here.
The color is fine. What about you? The solo. This is what? It's not pizza. This is a Polish food, right? Doro's car. Yeah.